Yes, people, welcome to New Market. Yeah, look at it. New Market. The place flooded. Watch it, no pass, block off. Watch it. Thing block off. The New Market. Watch it. Watch it. Yeah, man. Place block off. Watch it. Yeah, I'm taking a walk and see what I saw. See it? It's gone. So this New Market Kindergarten Preparatory School. See it? All New Market gone. Place block off. Take a walk around us, sir, and see what go on. Take a look, you know. Boy, oh boy, the place a mash up. Take a walk.
Can't pass out this water block.
Okay.
You know, say water don't have to we not drive, but you not drive. Everything but the MA market. But the best thing about free water, you see? No toilet. The best thing about free water. I wicked man of people they want.
Oh, sir. So what I say the flood out?
No, it never reach here.
It's gone. Yes, people, we could take a look. See this road now? This road will lead to Darliston. You see it? This road will lead to Darliston. And the whole road block off. Water take back everything. Watch it. There's no way to cross it. Watch it. Water, watch it. Watch it, people. You can see this has turned out sea. The whole New Market turned into sea. Watch it. There is no more New Market. Watch it. Look at the water level. Let me zoom in. Zoom in. Watch. See? And then so far, whole place underwater. Whole New Market is underwater. Whole New Market is underwater, people. Whole New Market is underwater. He's gone. New market on the river, people. New market is underwater. Can't cross it. I give you a drone shot of the place, people. That's how the place look. I give you a drone shot.
If you continue right, take a black road.
That's not about a car today.
So,
Another morning, you see a little rain. Rain start going down to the 10 o'clock now.
yeah.
As the eye of the storm pass through at the 10 to the 11. And people wondering how stuff start blow off. One thing though I say, people have to give thanks. I know the day it comes, because for the night situations are more worse.
Yeah.
There are more dead people on the earth.
True,
So we
true.
have to just give thanks.
Because nobody have no way to run going at the night dark there.
Exactly.
I tell you.
Was save them so them bathroom, yes, when
Yeah. They can part them.
that
Save a lot of people. True.
Even though it licked down many concrete place and turn over. This everything we call containers.
Yeah, I see them on the roadside, I see a lot of container on the roadside.
Turn it over. So saying in everything we have to just give thanks to life.
Yes.
That is the first you see bad storm in my life. First. Because this one, the turbulent Gilbert,
So me here.
turbulent Ivan,
So me here.
turbulent. Well, 51, I never there on the earth yet, but the all I heard them tell me. And this one terrible boat, all of them.
Yeah. So tell the people then where they're on New Market today,
Yeah,
right?
we're there, New Market, St. Elizabeth. And we are going to New Savannah.
Tell the highway name now, so and tell the people they can find you if they want support, you know.
Garnet, Dennis, otherwise still summer will come New Savannah,
Yeah.
4 road, up to Garnet still.
Actually, Ghana sing, so you can sing. So you can sing.
There we go,
Yeah. Alright, just big up yourself in the garnet, because we're there upon the ground and go and do a thing. You see what I say? So bless up. You see me?
Yes, sir.
So people, if you want to support Garnet, you know you find him, New Market. Right, so we're there. A New Market. Alright, bless up people.